y'all, it's Riri Live. Hey, I'm coming back to y'all again today to just do a quick little video. I'm not really gonna talk much because this video is only supposed to be 5 minutes. I'm trying to show y'all how I do my brows. I'm gonna attempt to do them in 5 minutes. So let's go. And y'all, I'm done. Look at that. 4 minutes, 54 seconds. Five minutes. It just hit 5. Let's just look at these results. Let's see what y'all think. Let me just insert some real-time pictures so y'all can see what it looks like. Because I don't know what's going on with my ring light today. But I think I did a good job. I think they look good. If you like this video, let me know. Comment, like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and keep up with me. It's Riri Live.